Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Wiktor. Today's video is a little different because I'm doing little bits and bobs around the van, and the main reason is because during this week I took the van over to the mechanic to have a look at some of the things that I thought were wrong with it. One of these things was that the braking pipes which ran under the van and go to the rear of the brakes were corroded, so I needed those changed. When I did my service, I was made aware of it, so I knew the cost is upcoming, and I thought, let's not risk it with all the added weight that I'm putting on because of the things that I'm adding onto the van. It's really risking those pipes breaking, and that would not be a good thing at all. So I got those changed, and then also I had the engine light on. Probably came on about a month or two ago. I wasn't fully aware of what it might be. The only indication I had was that my fumes were a bit stinky, so I thought maybe it could be something to do with the catalytic converter, which obviously would not be good. But luckily, I was made aware that it was only the temperature sensor in the exhaust center that needed changing. So I got that changed, sorted out the engine light, sorted out the stinky fumes. So at least now I know that the van is okay, at least for the next however many months mechanically, and that gives me a big peace of mind. And because of that, I wasn't able to do too much in terms of all the big jobs, but I still did a few things. So the first thing was I put up these wind deflectors or rain deflectors on the sides of the windows. You can probably see it up there. And also I sealed some of that side door window because obviously I initially made a big mistake with the bonding, so I sealed it from the outside. So I'm going to show you that as well, and that fixed the issue, and now it's waterproof for the time being, hopefully for a long time. And a few bits like reorganizing some things and just getting set up with the insulation. But today's video is going to be a fairly easy, quick video about those things. And also just to let you know that I am going away for some festivals in the coming up weeks, so I won't be able to probably upload in the next few weeks, or at least nothing in depth, because I won't be able to work on the van. But as soon as I'm back, I will be cracking on, really going hardcore with the van project, more so than I have been, even though I've been pretty good at it. I'm going to be finishing off the insulation on the walls, finishing off the insulation on the ceiling, and pre-wiring is pretty much set up, and that's a separate video, and I'm going to be doing that as well, finishing that off, cracking on with the solar panels, cracking on with the electrics, so loads coming up. So in general, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching the video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe to my channel, that would really help out a lot. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Peace and love.